Jai Bharat, a very pleasant morning to all respective principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. We, all students of grade 6, are going to conduct assembly on a bird man of India, Salim Ali. Salim Ali was a Indian ornithologist and naturalist. He was the first Indian scientist to conduct systematic bird survey across India. He became a key feature behind Bombay Natural History Society. Several species of birds and a couple of bird centuries have been named after him. Thought always inspired us to deliver such thoughts. I would like to call Shreya Sanam.
Jai Bharat. My name is Yes and I am going to deliver a thought. The art and science of asking question is the sources of all knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreyas. Salim Ali had a great contribution in studies birds. Let us know more about his contribution from Saik.
Bharat, I am Sai and today I am going to share with you some contribution about Dr. Salim Ali. In 1926, he became a guide to develop his craft. He was trained in Germany after he returned in India. He worked at BNHS and was involved in conducting a religion ornithological survey. He was one of the best scientists to introduce systematic survey to study the distributing pattern of birds. His interest mostly lied in the study of habitat and breeding of birds. He became world famous for his research on habitats of the weaver bird. He was a keen environmentalist and he known for his painstaking effort to save Bharat Pearl Bird Sanctuary and a Silent Valley National Park. He was also known as a Birdman of India. Thank you.
Thank you, Saik. Yes, indeed, his contribution of in India's bird in renewal. I would like to call Shreyas Madik to deliver a speech.
Today I will deliver the speech on the Salim Ali. Dr. Salim Ali was one of the most widely known for the study of the birds. Salim Ali was born on the November 12, 1896. As a child Salim Ali was found roaming in the nature. As a growing interest in the birds developed into a passion during his long distinguished career. He has received many awards and honors in the 1953 Jai Govind Law Gold Medal. In 1958, he was honored by the third highest award, Padma Bhushan, and in 1976, he was honored by the second highest award of country, Padma Vibhushan. He has also received doctor degrees. Salim Ali also included several books, the books of the Indian birds and handbooks of the birds of India and Pakistan are his two classical works. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreyas. Now, quiz is most interesting part of the assembly. To conduct this part, I would like to call Fuzel.
My name is Fuzel Azim Adhikari. Today I am going to deliver the quiz. My first question is Dr. Salim Ali was also known as. My answer is Birdman of India. My second question is he was the key figure behind which society? My answer is the Bombay Natural History Society. My third question is name the highest award received by Dr. Salim Ali. My answer is Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. My fourth question is name the book written by Dr. Salim Ali. My answer is the Book of Indian Birds. My fifth and the last question is when he got the training of ornithologist. My answer is Germany. Thank you.
Thank you, Fuzel. Now I would like to call our respective class teacher, Pooja ma'am, to deliver a story.
Jai Bharat. Today I am going to deliver a story of invention of popstick ice cream. A lot of kids like popstick ice cream. This popstick ice cream was invented by 11 years old Frank in 1905. It was a winter night and he was stirring his powder drink with a cup of water. He forgot his drink in the couch and he went asleep. Next morning when he got up, he saw his drink. It was deliciously frozen all around the popstick. Eventually, he discovered his first popstick ice cream. And from that time onwards, he started preparing the popstick ice creams for years and years. So, moral of the story is, your present thoughts will be your future inventions. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day to everyone.